Hey everyone, it's Astrema here and welcome back to my channel. And I'm so excited to be doing this video today because I feel like it's a video that's very much needed, especially since I've been sharing apple cider vinegar with you guys and I've been on my weight loss journey. I have been getting so many questions about apple cider vinegar, so this video is going to be very informative. I want to let you guys know up front that I'm not a professional, obviously. I can only go off of my own personal experience and my knowledge. So if you want to chime in the comment section below and drop some knowledge on us as well, you're welcome to do that. I would recommend you watching the entire video if you're really interested in learning more about this and how I was able to use apple cider vinegar with the mother to lose over 10 pounds, you guys. So if you've been following my weight loss journey, you know that I've lost 10+ pounds in the course of like maybe 2 weeks or so, and I've been doing pretty well. I probably lost a lot more. I just stayed away from the scale. I do have a notebook here full of information, and I won't really try to make this too boring, but I want to be informative. So I would recommend getting a little piece of paper and a pen, jotting down all the information so that you won't really have any more questions and you can start implementing it into your own life, find it to be suiting. Make sure you are subscribed too. Don't leave without subscribing. If you are already subscribed, I appreciate you for subscribing and checking out this video today. Thumbs up the video for more videos from me, of course. Follow me on Instagram at astremasimone. Let's just get into this video. The apple cider vinegar that I use was this one. Well, this is the one that I do use. It's by the brand Bragg. I feel like this is a really notable brand right here. Really good. I love it. They actually gifted me some new additions to their collection. I want to thank them so much for gifting me the apple cider vinegar. There's so much to choose from, and it's not a sponsored video. I'm literally just letting you guys know that I honestly love Bragg. There's other different types of apple cider vinegar out there, but Bragg has literally been the best for me. I literally use Bragg forever, and you have to make sure the bottle says with the mother, okay? What is apple cider vinegar with the mother? The unfiltered and unrefined vinegar with cloudy and murky appearance. It is used for drinking purposes and has many health benefits due to the presence of the beneficial bacteria, yeast, and protein. It is made by fermenting apples. So a regular apple cider vinegar wouldn't look murky like this. So literally everything I just said is what makes the mother within the apple cider vinegar. Now, if it doesn't have the mother in it, it literally said the mother right there, the mother, with the mother. You're not going to reap the benefits of the apple cider vinegar. I've seen a lot of questions, especially on Instagram, of what is the mother. I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar or using apple cider vinegar. This is not going to be all of the benefits, but this is just going to be some that I've came across and that I've even experienced. It is known to improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity in those who have diabetes. It improves heart health by lowering the cholesterol and reducing blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar helps in weight loss along with dietary life changes. That's something that I've experienced using the apple cider vinegar alongside other healthy lifestyle transitions and changes that you've probably seen in my prior weight loss videos that I just shared. Combined with the apple cider vinegar, it has helped me so much. Drinking apple cider vinegar alone reaps some benefits as well, but if you want to see some huge benefits, eat healthy and do them stuff that I mentioned in the weight loss videos, I'll link those below. Apple cider vinegar boosts the immunity. It regulates digestion by increasing healthy gut flora. That's something else that I've experienced. So if you're having some issues with your digestive system, take some apple cider vinegar, and don't worry, I will be sharing with you the exact way that you should be consuming apple cider vinegar so that it's not harmful for you, and also some alternatives for the taste. It reduces fatigue and increases energy levels. I've been experiencing that as well. And it is also known to improve your skin health. A lot of other benefits that I'm sure I didn't mention here, but that's just a few that can probably bring you on in to jump on the apple cider vinegar bandwagon, okay? Now we're gonna move on to some of the risks and side effects of apple cider vinegar, and then I'll let you know a bit more of how I take it and utilize it for weight loss and how you can use it in different ways. With some of the risks and side effects of drinking apple cider vinegar undiluted in large quantities can be damaging to your tooth enamel, cause throat burns, it can cause an upset stomach, it can burn your esophagus if you do not consume the apple cider vinegar diluted. Literally on the bottle, if you don't even want to listen to me, the bottle tells you to dilute it. It also gives you the serving size. So if you don't want to listen to anybody, at least listen to the nutrition facts. It tells you everything so you won't go wrong. It's just like bleach, you guys. Why I got bleach right here, I don't know, but it's just like bleach. It says to dilute the bleach. Bleach is very strong. You need to dilute the bleach, especially when you're using it to clean. So think of it like that. Obviously, apple cider vinegar is not potent like bleach, you know. You have to dilute it so that it won't harm the body. So you can do 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in a large glass of water, aka a cup of water, 8 ounces of water, before your meals or before bedtime. You can also start off with 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, which is a smaller dose, just to see how your body tolerates it, to see, you know, if your body is, you know, can deal with it. If you've never had apple cider vinegar before, it is kind of bitter and it's like a tang, like it kind of, you know, like that. So a lot of people have issues consuming it. It's not the best taste in the world. I've just, you know, I've gotten used to it. I just drink it and get it over with because I know what I need it for. You want to make sure your apple cider vinegar is organic. It has to be organic. So now I'm going to tell you how I consume it and when I consume it. I consume it before bedtime. I do 1 to 2 tablespoons, 8 ounces of warm water, and I put a tea bag. So I basically just make a tea. Sometimes I'll add honey. It all depends on how I'm feeling. I've been using the apple cider vinegar that I've been gifted as of lately, the cranberry apple one. There's different flavors now, so you don't even have to add anything. So I'm gonna be using the serving spoon that they gifted me in that box, and normally I would use this apple cider vinegar, which is the same Bragg with the mother, but spice things up. I've been using the cranberry apple one for about 3 days now, which is like the same thing, but it's just flavored, and this serving size is 2 tablespoons in the 8 ounces of water. So normally at night I would use this one, 1 tablespoon, but we gonna just do that. All right, or you could just use like a regular tablespoon, but I want to use my little spoon that I got. Add some warm water. And I make coffee every single day, so I know what 8 ounces of water is looking like. And I drink this whole thing. Sometimes I add the tea bag or the honey, but this flavor is actually pretty good, and I can't wait to try the other. So if you look on the bottle, it says mix 2 tablespoons plus 8 ounces of filtered or sparkling water right there. And it says you could take it 2 to 3 times daily, but you have to make sure that it is diluted in the water. And then when I wake up in the morning, my stomach be all ready to go, because it really helps like with your digestive system. So normally coffee, I know tea and my coffee would help me to like go, but I don't even have to wait until I drink coffee. When I drink the apple cider vinegar, it really helps to flush out my system and not hurt my stomach. Like I don't feel my stomach griping me or anything like that. Literally just a natural, you know, flow. Okay, before I get into different ways that you consume the apple cider vinegar, I have also gotten many questions about whether or not you can take the apple cider vinegar pills. Would it be the same, or the apple cider vinegar gummies? Now I've experienced both. I've had the apple cider vinegar gummies and the pills. The pills were okay, but I don't get the same effect as I do with the liquid. The gummies did nothing for me. I didn't feel anything. I just felt a little ting, but it didn't do anything for me. I didn't see any difference, nada. I would recommend doing the liquid so that you can get the full effect of it. And from research, I've seen that consuming apple cider vinegar diluted in liquid form is better than the pill or the gummies, because 9 out of 10 times there's going to be other ingredients added to the pill or the gummies to make it in that form. And at least with the apple cider vinegar liquid, you know exactly what you're consuming. And I know a lot of people opt into the pills and the gummies so that they don't really have to deal with that apple cider vinegar taste. And now I'm gonna get into different ways that you can consume it so that you don't have to really deal with that not too pleasant taste, which I feel like it's an acquired taste, but okay. Some tips to make it better, or should I say ways that you can drink it. Obviously, you can drink it as a beverage like I do. You can use cold water and drink it cold, but I like to make it into a tea. Add it to your salad dressings. I'm pretty sure there are recipes for that. I've seen that you can add it to your smoothies. I personally wouldn't really do that because I feel like it's just gonna get lost in the sauce, literally, because I put so much stuff in my smoothies. If you're gonna do it like a smoothie, I would probably add it to a more simple ingredient smoothie, maybe like a 3-ingredient smoothie or 2-ingredient smoothie. And a couple of tips to make it taste better: you can add honey to your tea like how I do, or honey to your beverage to kind of mask the taste just a little bit, and add a little bit of spice like cinnamon. Cinnamon also is a great fat burner. It's great with weight loss as well. And of course, you can always add a little bit more water to dilute it some more. So opposed to doing the 8 ounce, you can do like 10 ounces of water and kind of dilute it some more. But you better make sure you drink off all of the water so you can get everything, like all of the water with it inside of it. A couple of more things that I wanted to add on just as some extra information. Some people are curious to know whether you can take apple cider vinegar daily, and you most definitely can take apple cider vinegar daily. Like, you need to dilute it to be able to take it daily because you do not want to mess up your tooth enamel. You can also consume it by drinking through a straw so that it's not touching anything, but I feel like once you dilute it properly, it won't really have those effects. I like to wash my mouth out and brush my teeth after doing it so nothing doesn't even linger in my mouth. And another thing to be a bit cautious about is those people that are on potassium lowering medicines or diabetic that are on like medicines. I would really kind of stray away from consuming apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar, like I said, helps to lower your blood insulin levels. You don't want to lower it even lower than the medication already. So that's just something I want to throw out there. But with everything, of course, you always want to consult your doctor. So if you have any like health issues or health conditions or health concerns, I would consult with my doctor, ask them, is it okay for me to consume apple cider vinegar? Of course, diluted, and I'm sure they'll let you know with whatever condition or issue you may have if it would be safe. But I just want to throw that out there for anyone that's watching this video. You can just obtain that information right now. I would like to also say that apple cider vinegar is probably not for everyone. It was definitely something that I used to start and stop. I do take apple cider vinegar diluted on a daily basis, like almost every single night before bed. But once I get to my goal, I would slow down, probably like every other day. That's just my preference because it's a lot. Once you do, you just get it over with. I am not trying to sit here and convince everyone to like, oh my god, drink apple cider vinegar. I don't want to force anyone to drink anything they don't want to, but I seen that it is working for me, and of course I want to be informative so that you would be able to like trust what I'm saying. Like I said, if you have anything that you want to say, you want to chime in, shed some light on things, you are free to do so down in the comment section below. But make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and you found it to be informative. Also share it with anyone that you feel can benefit from the information in this video. And of course, good luck on your weight loss journey, and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything on my weight loss journey or anything like that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.